Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is totally unplanned, but I feel that I needed to jump on here to talk about the very hot topic you can't turn around without seeing it somewhere, and that is meme stocks. Media fueled, it's just everywhere. Look on YouTube, everything is about what it is right now, AMC. What I will say before I start this video, I have invested into AMC myself, but I have invested dead money, and this is the whole point I'm going to get onto right now, and I just want to have my say and opinion to hopefully make you more cautious and stop and think before you start investing and parting with, unfortunately, there are real cases of life savings going in because you're going to become a millionaire overnight. It probably won't happen. However, let's get into it. So what's going on with meme stocks? A company that perhaps isn't doing very well gets driven and fueled and taken over by the majority of retail investors. Price gets driven up, hedge funds have to buy back, buy at a higher price, then there becomes, then there's the shorting, then there's a squeeze in price, and then basically it's the battle of buying the stocks, holding, and who can hold it longest and drive the price up, so forth. That's kind of the concept, right? But at the moment there's a lot of manipulation going on with AMC, and there's quite frankly what I think there's ludicrous forecasting going on of 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 that the price could go to. It could totally flop. I mean, look, the attention is on the stock market at the moment. Look what's happened with Bitcoin. People were talking about how much money they were making. Look how much money they've lost, where the crypto sector has crashed. So at the moment, it's fueled, and there's this hype behind it where everyone else is going, oh my God, he's talking about he's going to be a millionaire overnight. And, I'm a part of a group that, they're saying they're going to make millions and stuff, and it's life-changing. I always trust my gut. I'm not saying that this won't make a profit. I'm not saying that. What I am saying is I've always trusted being a savvy investor, you trust your gut and you go with your feeling, you research, you learn, you understand, and then you make a decision. I would only invest into these very high risk, speculative stocks with dead money, and that's the difference here. People are putting their life savings in because they're being told and they're believing they're going to become millionaires overnight. Look at any multi-millionaire or billionaire. It took them years. It honestly took them years. Has there been people that have been lucky, they've bought in at dirt cheap and it has just overnight skyrocketed and they had a take profit that bought them out automatically and they made a good profit? Yes, but that only happens so many times. You can't jump the bandwagon when it's already left and buy in at an extremely high price and expect the same spike. So all I'm saying is I'm not a guru, I'm not a stock market expert who's telling you what it is going to do and what it's not going to do. I'm just saying slow down, consume the content. If you want to learn about it, read, listen, watch YouTube, fine, but don't invest life savings. Don't deviate off your plan. This is the whole point this is what I go on about being a smart investor, and the guests that I invite is to share that insight and knowledge of being a smart investor and a businessman, and building up cash flow and wealth takes time, and meme stocks unfortunately are so heavily backed by media, that it does give this very good effect of FOMO feeling where you think, I have to get involved now. I've either got to buy now or I'm going to miss out. It's not that. There's always going to be another opportunity. If there's another meme stock that you truly believe is going to go to the moon and back, this saying that you keep hearing, going to the moon and back, which I personally think is ludicrous, is that there'll be another stock. There's always another opportunity. It's like property. If you don't buy that property, guess what? There's going to be another property around the corner. So slow down, think about it, understand what's happening, really understand manipulation, look up the word speculative and how high risk it is and the fact you can literally lose anything. But on the flip side, look, I have invested into AMC. I'm not poo-pooing it, just as I don't poo-poo Bitcoin, because I invest into that as well, and Ethereum and Cardano. But I understand it, and I do it in a reasonable way that if I lost everything, I'm okay with that and my life continues as normal. What I don't do is I'm not going to remortgage the house and take out that and finance and debt. If you're in a bad financial position so I have to cover this off. If you're in a bad financial position and you still have debt and you've gone and bought AMC or a meme stock, what are you doing? This is just insane, and people are doing that. money management, cash flow, invest smart, stay on a plan, have a business model and stick with it. And then when you start earning money and you start profiting, then look to put dead money into commodities, Bitcoin, meme stocks, and start venturing out. But please, the message of this video is just slow down, think about it, research it. If you have some money to play with and you think it will make a profit, great. Learn everything from these videos. But honestly, I'm seeing things leaked at the moment, you know, coming from, is it Citadel or the company that's manipulating things behind AMC at the moment, going through a lawsuit. You know, I'm seeing images that are being leaked of the price being at like $1,500, $2,000. You know, is that a real leak? Who knows? But you can't believe that. Like, you can't make a decision on a possibility. You need to be making financial decisions on a certain, you know, I'm happy with this, I know exactly what I'm doing, yes, I'll invest. Anyway, rant over. I just wanted to give a little bit of an opinion on what I think is going on right now, just to give a kickback to say slow down, think about it first. If you want to get involved, only use dead money. And until the next video, I will see you very soon. Hit like, hit subscribe and share the video.